Linear equation in one variable. Dear children, in your earlier classes you have come across two words. One is algebraic expression and another one is algebraic equation. Is there any difference between algebraic expression and algebraic equation? Yes, think about it. Definitely there is a difference between them. Let us discuss today. An algebraic expression is a combination of a constants, variables and algebraic operation. For example, 5x plus 3. Here 5 and 3 are constant values because we are not able to change the values of that, and x is called as a variable because it is always the values of x go on changing, so that's why it is called as a variable, and hence they are combined with the plus mathematical operation, that is plus. Not only a plus, it may be a minus or something, division or multiplication. Let us take another example. 3a square minus 5b plus 10. Here also 3, 5 and 10 are the constant values, and a or b are variables which are included by the mathematical operation, here minus and plus. So these are called the expression. And now we come to the algebraic equation. An algebraic equation is made up of two expressions connected by the equality sign. The equality sign means there is always a equal from both sides, so that's why called as the equality sign. For example, 5x plus 3 is equal to 16. It means that here 5x plus 3 is first expression and 16 is a second expression, and between them there is equality sign is there. Equality sign means this side, which is that side, that is left hand side, and 16, the second expression, is right hand side. So this is called as an equation because this is made up of one expression, first expression and second expression. So that way it's called as an equation. Let us see some more examples. So for examples, algebraic expressions: 2x plus 5, 8 minus 2p, z. So z is only z is also a expression, and only 12 is also a algebraic expression. Now 2x square plus 5x plus 3, 3y square minus 5y minus 10, 5xyz, 6x square minus 4y square. So these are all the examples for the algebraic expression. And what is algebraic equations? As now let us look here. 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. It means that the value of left hand is equal to right hand, so that's why it is called as the algebraic equation. So now we discuss about it. 8 minus 2p is equal to 4, 16 is equal to z plus 5, 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2, 2x square plus 5x is equal to 15, 3y square minus 5y is equal to 10, 5x plus 3y is equal to 13, 6p minus 4q is equal to 2. Let us analyze the below equations. 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. Here the variable is x because there is a variable, and 2, 5 and 7 are the constant, and x is a variable. The power of the x, look at here, power of the x is 1, that is the highest power, that is 1. In the same way, here in 8 minus 2p is equal to 4, here the variable is p and its highest power is 1. 16 is equal to z plus 5, here the z is the variable and its highest power is 1. 2a minus 3 is equal to a plus 2, here the variables on same variable on both sides, so only one variable, that is a, and its highest power is 1. Let us take some other examples. 2x square plus 5x is equal to 15. Here the x is a variable but its highest power is 2. Its highest power is 2. In the same way, 3y square minus 5y is equal to 10. Here the variable is y but the highest power is 2. In the same way, let us take some another examples. 5x plus 3y is equal to 13. Here is there 5x plus 3y is equal to 13. Here the variables are x and y. X and y both are variables. So x and y are the variables, but the highest power for both of the is 1. 6p minus 4q is equal to 2. Here also there are two variables, that is p and q. For that the highest power is 1. Let us analyze the below equations. 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. 8 minus 2p is equal to 4. 16 is equal to z plus 5. 2a minus 3 is equal to a plus 2. So these are all considered as a linear equations in one variables. Why? Because these are the equations having only one variable. Look at here x, here p, here z, and here a. So these are always having the one variable, but that highest power for that variable is 1. So that's why it is called as a linear equations in one variables. Now another set of example is 2x square plus 5x is equal to 15. 3y square minus 5y is equal to 10. So here these are called as a quadratic equation, because even though here it has the only one variable, that is x, but the highest power is 2. Highest power is 2. Where there is a highest power is power 2, then it is called as a quadratic equation. And let us take some other examples. Here also there are two variables. X and y. Two variables are there, but the power is 1. For highest power is 1. So this is called as a linear equations in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. So let us conclude that the concept. So linear equation one variable means an algebraic equation having only one variable and its highest power is 1. Sorry, once again I repeat, linear equation in one variable means an algebraic equation having only one variable and its highest power is 1. So this is called as a linear equation in one variables. So remaining the quadratic equation and linear equation in two variables are studying in the next year class. So thank you. I hope that you understand the concept. Thank you for watching.